Welcome to the E-class at Kadriya. Today we are going to discuss on the grammar topic of sentence. What is sentence? A sentence is a word or group of words that expresses a complete thought or idea. We speak many sentences in a day. So, a sentence is a word or group of words that expresses a complete thought. We express some sort of thought. We express our opinions to others. So, group of words formed together which gives a complete meaning is called a sentence. So, there are kinds of sentences. 4 kinds of sentences are declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamative. So these are the 4 kinds of sentences. A declarative sentence makes a statement. It's just a statement. Interrogative sentence is asking a question, usually yes or no questions. Yes or no questions is also called as WH questions. Then imperative sentence. Imperative sentence either gives a command or delivers a request. Exclamatory sentence is expressing the emotions or sudden feelings. First, we are going to discuss about declarative sentence. A declarative sentence is a sentence that is in the form of a statement. It is just a statement. It doesn't create any feelings or any emotions or any questions or any command or request. It's just a statement. For example, I have to go to work. I'll never do that. We are studying linguistics. He took my bicycle. So, these sentences are just expressing or just displaying the fact. Students study their lessons. He is the owner of the lot where our house stands. I am a teacher. The sun rises in the east. So, declarative sentences just tells about the fact. These are also some of the examples of declarative sentences. It just informs, it gives some information, but it doesn't give any command or request, or it doesn't ask any questions. It just gives some information. The second kind of sentence is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is a sentence in the form of a question. It ends with a question mark. Since these interrogative sentences or question sentences, it ends with a question mark. So, mostly interrogative sentences are of yes or no questions, yes or no sentences. Usually it starts with WH. See here, who is that? What time is it? When are we leaving? Where are we going? Why is it raining? So these are some of the examples of interrogative sentences which starts with WH. So WH is nothing but words that include who, what, when, why, where, whose. So like this. So it asks questions. Just asking questions is the interrogative sentence. The sentence which is in the form of questions is called as interrogative sentences. For example, who's your father? Where are you living? What is your name? So these are some of the common interrogative sentences we use in our daily life. Thirdly, it is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is a sentence that expresses a command or request. It ends with a period. So as we have said before, imperative sentence is either command or a request. For example, see here, a lady is commanding her dog to go out. So this is sort of commanding sentence. A lady is commanding the officers to go in a line, to go in a order. And this is the request. So a small boy is praying to God. So it is kind of a request. And a girl is telling, can you please lend me your book? We can't ask help from another person by commanding. So we should ask the request in a polite manner. So, can you please lend me your book? And this guy is asking, hi, can you help me? So these sort of requests can be asked in a polite manner. See here, there is an example for imperative sentence. Please give me a glass of water. So this is a requesting sentence. This is not a commanding sentence. This is a requesting sentence. Examples of imperative sentences. For command, get the flag quickly. Keep off the grass. For requesting, can you help me find my shoes? Please return to your seats. So these are some of the examples of imperative sentences as for command and request. So request, command, invitation and instruction. These are the general aspects of imperative sentences. Finally, exclamatory sentence. So exclamatory sentence is a sentence that expresses strong feelings or emotions. It ends with an exclamation mark. See the example here. How beautiful the waving wheat looks. So it expresses the strong feelings or emotions. So it shows the feelings either of angry mood or jolly mood or very sad. Everything. Exclamatory is nothing but it shows the sudden feelings or expressions. Here I am free. The examples for exclamatory sentences are given here. First one is I am free. So here it expresses the joy of the thief. And secondly, she actually won. So here a girl expresses her surprise of some achievement. And thirdly, I treasure you. It expresses the love. And at last, it expresses the anger. So these are some of the emotions that are expressed, and these sentences are termed to be as exclamatory sentence. Even though when most of us get admired by a rose also, a flower also, when we admire a beautiful flower, we usually think, so, oh, how beautiful the flower is. So these are some of the expressions we use in our daily life. See here, a lady got surprised of something and she shows her expression. These are some of the exclamatory words usually used in some of the sentences. Wow, brilliant, awesome, ouch, amazing, bravo, fantastic, tremendous, sheesh, Geronimo, timber, eureka, hooray, wowzers, gosh, jeepers. These are some of the exclamatory words used in our daily life. Some of the exclamatory sentences are how nice. So the sentences are framed out of the topic of car, how the car looks and how an individual is impressed by this car. He tells that how nice, it's such an expensive car. What a nice car, it's so modern. So, in the exclamatory sentence, each sentence ends with the exclamatory mark. Whereas in the interrogative sentence, it ends with the question mark since it is the questioning sentences. Thank you for watching.